Speaking candidate, focusing friendly.
Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum, good evening, nice to meet you. Welcome to our talk show program. This is Porsche and anchor of this program, and today I am anchoring in this program. And the program is sponsored by Infinity Aside of TV. Today our guest is Mr. Rahim.
Hello guys.
So now we are going to start our program. Let's enjoy it. So Mr. Rahim, welcome to our talk show program.
Thanks for it.
Okay, first please tell us your legal name. What's your legal name?
My name is Ravi Hassan.
The sound good. What class do you read in?
I am in class 9.
What is school's name?
My school's name is High School.
After the high school, I've listened about your school and it's very popular in Shetpur. So I think, what's the district's name?
My district name is Shetpur.
Shetpur, yeah. My district is same. So please tell us something about your district. I mean, what is this? How is popular and what do you love? Why do you love your?
It is popular from natural beauties. More about tourist spots.
Yeah.
Tourist place and others.
Tourist place. It's a tourist place. Can you share us the name of this tourist place?
Sure.
Yeah.
This tourist place name is like Bezni, Muthutina, Lalchapra, Panihata, etc.
Yes, I mean it contains hills and trees, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I think I have heard that Shetpur is also popular for rice or sweet.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's also a farmer district.
Yeah.
Many of the people are farmer.
Yeah, I think most of the people are farmer. 80%
yes.
people are farmer.
Yes.
So they're cultivating rice, and this rice is much popular in Bangladesh, right? So at last I want to say that what is the main drawback of Shetpur district?
It's electricity.
Electricity problem.
Electricity is a big problem in our district.
Yeah.
Many times
There is no electricity.
Then like the students study, then the electricity is gone.
So it hampered their study and they can't attend their study well. They can't concentrate in their study well.
Yes.
Okay, so at last I want to say that do you love your district?
Yes.
Of course you like it. Okay.
Yes.
So thank you so much, Mr. Rahim, to join with us.
Okay.
So dear distinguished participant, this is the last part of the program. Before concluding my program, I would like to express my profound gratitude upon you for your kind participation. No more today. Hope you see you soon. Have a good time. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.
Bye.